As we enter into the heart of the Lenten season, the Holy Week, we begin it on Palm Sunday. We will witness the blessings and processions of Palms led by Bishop Marvin Maceda, together with Reverend Father Serviliano Caro Jr., some of the priests, religious, and the faithful of the Diocese of San Jose, Antique. Here ay makikita po natin si Bishop Marvin Maceda at si Reverend Father Serviliano Caro Jr. Lumalakad, and ito pong Blessings of Palms ay daw, so nagsisimula. It begin at the front of the old Capitol building of Antique na makikita sa bayan ng San Jose de Buenavista. So here, makikita po natin ang iba't ibang design ng mga palaspas, ng mga palms. At dito makikita din natin si Bishop na nag-e-ensenso ng mga palaspas. Ginawagayway ng mga faithful ang ilang mga palms. Yan po, makikita natin ang gaganda, no? Iba't ibang disenyo. Now is the procession is going to the church now. Ito po, kaya si Bishop Maceda, Father Maceda, and Father Gundun, Serviliano Caro Jr. Some of the religious sisters dito din sa loob ng simbahan. So dito po ay custodian charge sa loob ng simbahan. Magbibigay na yung mass. Only pictures ng ating matutunghayan. So yeah, as the celebration began, so yun po, dinadaos yung mass with Reverend Father Serviliano Caro Jr. So marami pong salamat for watching, and happy Palm Sunday po sa lahat.